No, but I didn't put anything in the track. But there's this one white thing that kept moving, which isn't in there. So many dragonflies. They're all blue. I want my food. Please give me my oysters. Other stuff I missed as well, because now everything's closed. Do you want to see me try? Okay, here you go. Happy? Okay. Any other suggestions? I suggest we just wait for the neighbor. I can ask a couple different neighbors to come up. We can have a concilium where we'll talk about the issue of the garage door. I think you should move the car out. You think so? You think so? You want to rewind in my VOD? You want to see how I got the car out? You want to see that? Yeah, I think you should. Yeah, let me just get the car out. Straight in motherfucking here. Or wait, let me get the car out. Straight in motherfucking here. Because there's just so many options I can get the car the fuck out. You guys just extra read today. Pull and use the clicker at the same time. You want me just to spam the clicker? Just open the door. That's as much as it opens. I'll say we'll wait for the neighbor. I mean, I appreciate you guys' advice, but I always take it with a grain of salt, so let's just wait for the neighbor. I feel like somebody in this neighborhood had a similar issue at some point. You know, men are just kind of handier. Like, they think technology all the time, so unplug it. Oh wait, you're right, there is a plug all the way up there. We could technically unplug it. We stuck. See, it doesn't even close all the way now. I don't want to do anything until he comes over. I asked my neighbor to come over and he's gonna help. Because it seems like anything I touch, it gets worse and worse and worse. I was able to reverse the car though, because I moved it 90 degrees. That was so funny. How the fuck did I do that? Now that I look at it, I'm actually really impressed. I put this, oh, wow, there's a big scratch. Wow, I scratched my car hard. Fuck me. Yeah, this was really not worth it. I shouldn't have tried to get the car out. Do you guys want to see the big scratch? Because I got it like perpendicular to what it was. This is it. Ta-da. Oh well. Yes, I'm here. 1 second, I'm gonna try to open what opens. Let's also open that door just in case. I managed to put the car kind of back to how it was. Because this is as much as it opens, so it doesn't go any further. Does this ever happen to you?
Well, no. So have you tried pulling this and doing it by hand?
I'm kind of scared to touch anything now. So what happened is that I tried to lift it, and this is how much I was able to lift it.
Yep.
And then since then, because this got kind of loose, and then I was able to lift it until here, and then this caught up to it, and now it only opens till here and doesn't even fully close.
Okay.
Could it be that something got stuck?
Go ahead and put it back down real quick if you don't mind.
No, I've been doing this for the past hour.
And it won't close all the way either.
Yeah, it's almost like something's stuck. It's like something's not right, but I don't see what it is. Oh! Okay, that's a good start. Okay. Okay, freedom! Wait, what do you want me to do? What should we do? This is a lot of progress.
I don't know that I would do anything.
I hold this.
No, it's not going to go anywhere.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Once it's open, it's open. Go ahead and hit it again.
Are you sure? Yeah. Can I get my car first out?
Sure.
I really wanted to go to some places, and I was like, I scratched my car too because I was trying to like get out of the small one.
Scratch it.
It's not too bad, but like, what do you think about this one? Should I just ignore it? What would you do with that?
You can take it. There are places you can take it that will buff it. And they might be able to buff it out.
What about a Sharpie?
I don't know that I'd do that.
Why not? What could possibly go wrong with a Sharpie? Because it's black. It will like nicely fit, right?
Yeah.
You never tried Sharpie? Well, I don't know if your car is black.
Got this too.
Oh, yeah. I really was trying to leave. Yeah, but that's not dangerous, right? It just doesn't look very nice.
Yeah.
It's fine.
No, I mean, the whole thing's fine. Yeah, Sharpie would be quick and easy. But you can also take it into there are places that'll do body work and they can either buff or repaint that little area for you.
It's probably going to be really expensive, right?
I don't know. I would guess probably $100, $150.
That's not bad. I heard the paint job is really expensive.
Yeah, well, yeah, full paint job is.
Maybe they can partial. Yeah. Now that I'm free, this feels good. Set up the key. Okay. Oh, that's a good sound. Okay. So now we close, right?
Yeah, give it a try and see what it does.
Yeah, so it's almost like it got detached. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I was messing with it a little bit because I was like annoyed that it's hidden my car. And then I tied it fully. Oh, that white thing. See, I don't think it's supposed to be loose, that white thing. It is?
You may engage it, though. Try it again.
Oh, I think it's like almost something got detached there, right?
Try it again.
What'd you do? Just so I know.
Just pulled on it, and it moved that red piece backwards.
It was out of that?
I think you can disengage it. See how it's in the middle now?
Yeah.
And re-engage it.
Ah.
So try it and see if that hook it back up. Nope.
Go back.
Yeah, go back.
What if I put it to the middle?
Okay, now try it.
I'm gonna put it back. It's almost like, it doesn't go all the way back though. See, it's like the white thing is stuck. There's no white thing on this thing when I close it. I'm pretty sure it's like connected to that thing, right? Or somehow, like it's nowhere to be seen. Yeah, there's no white piece. Okay. So this is weird because this is up until here that I pushed it the very first time. Maybe I also messed up with pushing it.
Yeah, it's almost like it needs reprogrammed.
What if we were to unplug it? Because the plug is on top.
That may not be a bad idea. Let's go ahead and put it down again. Yeah, it's acting like it's been programmed. You didn't hit one of these by accident, did you?
No. And it started doing this before I started messing with my car. But you did the thing where you like disengaged it and you fully like controlled it, right? So
Yeah.
what if we do the same thing and then I unplug it, plug it back? Do you think it'll help? Yeah, there's a ladder here. Oh, yeah, that almost hit me. Do you think it's safe? It's not like a spring will fly off or something?
No.
Okay. I heard some scary stories with the garage doors. Okay. Yeah, it's back on. It says on in the back. Well, it just went away, but it sat on for a couple of seconds.
Go ahead and try it, see what happens.
It's this white thing by itself.
And it's cycling the full light, right?
Mm-hmm. But you can retouch it back because you've done that before.
So it's cycling all the way over.
Can we like pull and put this thing on top of the white somehow?
Yeah.
I think that's how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we did that once. It's not going to catch it unless you engage it. Like that. Now it's engaged.
But it's not fully.
So
Yeah.
let's try one.
It's kind of a complicated puzzle. What do you want to do?
Open it up so that quick piece comes all the way back here.
Oh, that was good, right?
Now close it.
What?
Yeah, let it go. See what happens.
Come on. Oh, so close. Wait, but that's good, right? I'm gonna try to open again, okay?
Yep.
Because if it goes all the way back, please do, please do, please do. Come on, come on. Okay, that's good. That's very good. That's progress. We just need to figure out now why there's a crack. I mean, that's pretty good. Yeah, I can get my car in and out. It's just probably not good to have a crack.
Cycle it again. See if it does it the same way.
Oh, there's a worm. What if we kind of just pull it down? No?
No.
No force?
So the next thing we'll probably do will be to get on the phone and look up Marintech garage door opener adjustments, and I bet it will tell you how to adjust, that last little bit online.
Okay.
Because there's some settings up there, right?
Yeah, it looks like it. There's a plus, minus, and a P. Like park or something.
But I'm sure this can be programmed. For some reason, it isn't just cycling all the way closed. And I don't want to screw it up.
Right. Yeah, it's fine. Honestly, I have a guy come over next week to help me with a couple things in the house anyways. I'm glad that I was able to get the car out. Thank you so much for helping.
Yeah, you should be able to cycle it now.
Yeah.
It just needs...
The little adjustment, I got it. Whew, okay, that gave me a lot of stress. Thank you for helping. I really wish I didn't scratch my car in the process, but I got this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You bet.
I'm gonna let you out through this door. There's nothing like crazy that can happen, right?
No.
Like springs, explosions.
Well, every garage will have a spring.
Yeah, but it's not like it can like get out because it's a little messed up.
Yeah, I mean, it's a new spring. It's not the problem.
Okay.
Open this one real quick. Does it open that same way?
Do you want to play with it? No? Okay, just gotcha. I just gotta leave this here for now. Seems about right.
Yeah. Yeah, that one actually is open higher than this one even, right?
Yeah. Maybe it is that little issue with the adjustment.
Yep.
I just shouldn't have yoinked on it. I stopped it. Don't worry. I did that. Okay, I'll remember not to touch this thing again.
Yeah, I wouldn't mess with it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You too. All right, chat, we're free. Okay. I'm gonna go grab my food if it's still there, which I don't know if it is. Maybe people ate it. I thought that like I'm not coming for food or something, but thank God for man. A real man.